Welcome to Graphic Design 1. I'm your instructor, Mr. Deutsch. Before you go any further, make sure that you have the written instructions out from the link. What we're going to do today is take this frog in its natural habitat, take the background of space, and put the frog into space using the lasso tool, copy and paste. Step 1. Go to PIXLR.com, PIXLR.com. Next, open PIXLR Editor. Open image from a URL. Copy the URL from the instructions using Command C and paste it in the URL box. Now we have a layer of space. What exactly does a layer mean? A layer is an image on top of another image. So on the left we have a stick figure, and on the right we have all the different layers. When those little boxes next to the stick figure are clicked, you can see which layer is selected. Now the cool thing about a layer is you can change the size of it, you can change the shape of it, you can change the color, so you can create something totally unique. In our situation, we're going to have a layer of space, which is the background, and then the frog on top of it. So our next step is to go to the layer button up top, click on it, and then click Open Image URL as Layer. Now go back to the instruction sheet. Go to step 6 on the instruction sheet, copy the image URL, and paste it in the box. Remember, Command C copy, Command V paste. Now we have two layers. We have the frog on top, and we have the space in the back. Now, it's not totally necessary to do this, but why don't we label them just so you'll know, so we can keep track in more complicated projects. So we'll call that space, and the layer 1 we'll title frog. Double click on the name to change it. Next, we're going to select the lasso tool on the top left. This is going to grab what we want and take it to the next spot. So in our case, we want to grab around the frog and take the frog into space. This is 4 times the speed, so don't think you need to go this fast. It's going to take a minute, and it might also take a couple of shots. Click on the tool, and when you're done, go all the way to the other end of the lasso and let go of the tool, and it will select it. Now, just like before, we're going to copy and paste Command C, Command V. Now we have 3 layers. We have that layer 1, or the frog, space, and other piece. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete that middle layer that has the background of the frog too. So it's just the frog that we lassoed, copied, and pasted. Next, we're going to pick the eraser tool. What I always do is pick from the middle row of the eraser tools so that it's got a faded edge. Now you can always go back and for like in between the toes and the little nooks and crannies, choose the smaller eraser tools. Also, if you mess up on anything, Command Z is an undo button. Remember, Command Z, undo. The final step is to save. You're going to go to File, Save, and you are going to name it your last name with GD1, Graphic Design 1, and you're going to save it under the format of a PNG photo to the desktop of your computer, GD1, and save it as PNG. After that, you're going to turn it in and you are done.